Theresa.
Hey, Kevin.
Thank you for helping us with the design in this house.
My pleasure. So here we are, Kevin, in our small first floor bathroom.
I've seen smaller.
We're adding a shower.
Okay, just got a little smaller.
We're gonna go ahead and take the curb out.
Of the floor?
Yep, we're moving the drain to the center. That way pretty much everything in here can get wet.
Okay, yeah, I can see that going on.
And we're gonna be doing the same thing upstairs.
All right.
So here we are, Kevin, in the primary bathroom.
Which is not small.
Not at all, lots of natural light. We actually have a couple samples of the concrete overlay treatment that we're gonna be applying throughout.
Okay, applied to the existing drywall in here.
Yes, we've got a sample here that's just kind of a plain rough finish.
Okay.
This sample up here shows a little bit more of like a strié pull.
Gotcha.
And we've got a third sample over here that looks a little bit more like a knockdown finish for drywall treatment.
Yeah, so a lot more roughness there combined with the smooth as well.
Right, and we're going for a fourth look, which Ricky is working on now.
In the shower, okay. Hey, Ricky. Hey.
So Ricky's over here prepping for us.
So this is the shower and you want to make this whole thing waterproof.
Right, so we've got our backer board up.
Okay, yep, cement board.
Yep, they've applied a waterproofer to it.
This sprayed on or rolled on?
Rolled.
Excellent, okay, so that's what I'm looking at here. And you're able to put your, what was it, the cement overlay into this space here?
That's exactly right, it just trowels right over top of it.
All right, let's get it mixed up and get going.
So what we're gonna try to do for this new texture that we're looking for is limit the edges that you see from that effect of pulling the trowel. And the beautiful thing about this product is we can apply a waterproofing sealant to this wet area, but we can use it as a finish throughout the room.
So when this sets up in the shower area, we also get a sealant?
Yes.
So obviously, Theresa, 2 more walls to go, but are you happy with what you're seeing?
It looks so good, yes.
So by that smile, right?
I love this smooth section right here. It's gonna have a sheen to it when you come in from the other elevation. And this section right here, you can see this little line. It shows that there's a layer here, a little bit of relief. It's really just a perfectly imperfect old world charm.
So you'll continue this across to the wallboard, right?
Exactly, we're gonna carry it throughout.
And then for the base?
Tile.
Tile, great. And then Ricky, how long for this to set up?
Overnight, 6 hours, calls for 6 hours, but overnight's good.
And then you can waterproof.
Yes, put the sealer on it.
Terrific. Well, thank you for the help. And Theresa, thank you for the design smarts.
My pleasure.
We'll let you get back to it.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project. So be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.